Today I felt like getting out the house. It's been raining in Playa del Carmen the past couple of weeks, but now the rain has subsided, so let's see what it looks like right now. We live in a gated community, so in order for you to come in and out of the building, you need to speak with security, either show them a QR code or have someone come get you. So for the most part, I feel really safe here, and all the other communities around us are gated too, so it's been pretty chill for the most part. When it comes to driving out here, for the most part, it's relatively chill, but sometimes you'll come into situations like this where there are no traffic lights, so you just have to really be careful and take caution as you progress and cross the road. But otherwise, they still have a similar system of driving like in America. You drive on the right-hand side, and stop signs are really easy to understand as a foreigner, so it's not that bad. And they also have a lot of speed bumps to regulate the traffic, so you only need to watch out for cyclists because sometimes they come so fast and you may not see them. So just keep an eye out for motorcyclists and pedestrians, but otherwise you should be fine driving here. Now we're heading into Centro, Playa del Carmen, and I'm going to give you a look at what it looks like. Centro, Playa del Carmen is popularly known amongst tourists because this is the area where the beach is located, and for the most part, you'll see residential communities, Airbnbs, and you'll also see a lot more restaurants and grocery stores in a closer proximity. And what I really love about Centro Playa del Carmen is that it's a very walkable area, so you don't necessarily need a vehicle to get around here. There's lots of cabs, buses, they also call them colectivos, that will take you to and from, and you can also walk around the area and find lots of food and everything you need here. And I love the feel of Centro Playa del Carmen because it gives you that familiar local feeling, and it's not like Cancun where it's super crowded with huge conglomerate buildings. They try and keep a lot of ma and pop stores in business, so it is a very unique city and I really love the look of it. Sometimes you'll notice people controlling traffic in areas where traffic lights have been affected with some sort of issue. And as you can see, they have the police controlling the lights, and usually they get fixed pretty quickly. So just keep that in mind. If you notice people have their hazard lights on ahead of you, that usually means something's wrong. But that's just a driving tip if you're new to the area. Faye is addicted to this coconut water here, so I'm going to take you and show you how he gets his favorite coconut water at our favorite spot. Hola, agua de coco. Buenas tardes.
Agua de la vida.
Agua de la vida.
Desde aquí.
Sí.
Aquí es.
So, you get
Dos litros. Sí.
Dos. And the coconut water
De la vida.
is
100% natural.
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 Pura delicia.
Sí.
Ubicados en la avenida Colosio, calle 52, entre avenida 10.
Okay.
Cuando guste, aquí es.
Perfecto. And this is where you can come get the water. It's fresh and it's he pays the coconut water, 100 pesos, and he loves this. Gracias. Hasta luego. As you can see, he's a really happy guy. And Ryan, why do you come to this coconut water place?
It's 100% natural coconut water, no sugar, no nothing. And he's just a cool guy, always happy every time I come.
Super happy, and you can come get coconut water from him. He's open pretty much all day until the nighttime, and it's fresh coconut water. We absolutely love this coconut water. Now I'm gonna have a sip. Thank you guys for coming with us to get some coconut water. Had a great time, and now we're going back home. And yeah, this is just a day in the life of